Welcome to UniSellergy. In this video, we will understand how to map and manage products across different sales channels using the product mapping module. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Open the inventory module. First, go to the inventory module from the left side menu. At the top, you will see multiple tabs such as Inventory, List Products, Bulk Product Update, Mapped, Unmapped. To view products that are not yet mapped, click on the Unmapped tab. Step 2. View Unmapped Products. On the Unmapped Products page, you will see the list of all products that are not mapped to any sales channel. At the top of the page, you will also see summary cards such as Total Products, Total Unmapped Products, Total Unmapped Variations, Total Integrated Channels. Each product in the list will display the following details: product name, SKU code, product ID, product type, channel, quantity. In the action column, you will see the Map button. Click the Map button for the product you want to map. Step 3. Select Product to Map. After clicking Map, a pop-up titled Select Product to Map will appear. Here, you can select the product that you want to combine with another channel product. Important note: you cannot select a product from the same channel. Only products from different channels can be mapped together. Select the required product and click Map. Step 4. Product Mapping page. You will now be redirected to the Product Mapping page. Here, you will see the product selected for mapping. Click on the Combine button. A pop-up titled Map Products will appear. Read the note carefully. Now enter the following details: product title, nickname. After entering the details, click Combine. Step 5. View Mapped Products. After combining the products, you will be redirected to the Mapped Products page. At the top, you can also see summary cards such as Total Products, Total Mapped Titles, Total Mapped Variations, Total Channels. These summary cards provide a quick overview of your mapped product data across all connected channels. Below that, you will see the Mapped Products list. Here, you can view product title, nickname, product count, channels, edit options. Click on the product row to expand the details. You will now see all mapped products including product name, SKU code, product ID, quantity, channel. One product will be marked as the parent product. Important note: parent product. The parent product cannot be removed or unmapped individually. Only child products can be unmapped. Step 6. Edit Product Mapping. In the Edit column, click on the three-dot menu. You will see three options: Edit Title, Edit Quantity, Unmap Products. Edit Title. Click Edit Title. A pop-up titled Edit Mapped Title and Nickname will appear. Here, you can update product title, nickname. Click Update to save the changes. Edit Quantity. Click Edit Quantity. A pop-up will appear with two options: All Channel Quantity. If you select All Channel Quantity, the entered quantity will apply to all mapped channel products. Individual Quantity. If you select Individual Quantity, each channel product will appear separately. You can set different quantities for each channel. After making the changes, click Update. The quantity will be updated shortly. Step 7. Unmap Products. If you want to remove a product from mapping, click on the three-dot menu. Select Unmap Products. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Yes to confirm. The product will be removed from the mapping. After unmapping, the product will appear again in the Unmapped Products list. Individual Channel Unmapping. If you expand a mapped product, you will see individual product rows. In the Action column, child products will have the option to unmap product. This option is not available for the parent product. Final summary. Using the product mapping feature in UniSellergy, you can map products across multiple sales channels, combine products under a single product title, manage parent and child product relationships, edit product titles and nicknames, update stock quantities across channels, unmap products when required. This helps you manage multi-channel inventory efficiently from a single place. Thank you for using UniSellergy, one powerful platform to manage your entire e-commerce business.